Test, test. Make sure we have sound. Alright, we have sound. Alright, cool. We should be good. Excuse me. Okay, this is my second take because I forgot to turn on my mic. So, I'm just going to run through these real quick again. And I only took one position today, so I'll just show that. And yeah, we'll get through it. So, Forex market analysis for July 30th, 2019. Starting with the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I thought it would catch a bottom here, did not. Continue moving down. We'll probably start seeing a wedge. Australian dollar, Swiss franc, we have a short position on. We had a double top here, just a short-term position. I expected to retest this low, and from there we'll analyze and see if we get a double bottom that I'm looking for. But yeah, this is moving well. Australian dollar offshore Chinese yuan broke out of this little pennant, not pennant, but parallel channel off that high. Australian dollar Japanese yen coming down to test that low. Australian dollar Norwegian krone. I'm just gonna run through these because I already looked at them once. CAD PLN, a lot of breakouts today. Dow Jones. Euro AUD, we had our position on yesterday. That got closed out in profit. And that's moving strong, really strong. So who knows where that's heading. We could see a breakout to the upside on this triangle. We'll see. I would not be surprised if it breaks out and retests this high long term. I probably should have held that position for a lot longer instead of just taking 2 to 1. But and honestly, yeah, I should have, because we had this strong move up, price consolidated sideways. If we get this triangle, it's more than likely that price is going to break out to the upside. So, but we'll see. Euro Canadian dollar, still waiting for that to retrace. Nothing here, nothing there. Jesus, Euro British pound, really big breakout today. Still really diverged. Euro Hungarian forint, can't trade it anyway, but new high, still diverged. Still I wouldn't trust this one bit. I wouldn't be surprised if it gets faded, wiped down. Euro JPY. That's moving up pretty good. It's pretty good momentum on that move. We even have a gap in here. Kind of looked like we had a gap. No, we don't. Okay. Yeah, this is actually a pretty good setup. We'll see. Should continue higher. We had this head and shoulders pattern here. Euro USD, I moved up today, but still not going to touch it. British pound Australian dollar. Yeah, a lot of moves today. This is the position I took. What's it looking at up here too? This is the position I took here. I took it on the 4-hour. So here we go. Reasons for entry, we have a couple. We do have massive RSI divergence. This is support. Well, actually, this is a retest of the flash crash low. And that's what I've been waiting for a while now on some of these pairs. So we have a RSI divergence, pretty good divergence on here. We have our hammer candles, multiple inside candles. What else was I going to say? We have horizontal support. What else was there? We're also pretty far from these 50 and 100 moving averages. Price typically tends to retrace pretty heavily when that happens. We saw the same reaction here when we had the flash crash as well. We've got exhaustion candle here, caught support. Oh, 0.6786 retracement from this low here. Yeah. We'll see. We're just going for 2 to 1 for now. Some things to look out for. We have minor resistance here, which we might see a retracement to actually. might see a retracement here, and then price comes back down and retests this low, and then we'll get a double bottom officially, but we'll see. I wanted to take this on the daily, but this candle just did not really form, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. But I mean, this is the lowest it's been on the RSI in a very long time. I mean, ever. Like, after, besides the flash crash, I don't think it's ever really been this low. What are we at right now? What is this sitting at? Somewhere around, what, it came down to about 14, and that's really where it was during the flash crash. It came down to 12. Fuck, how do I get out of this? Shit. What did I just do? Holy fuck. Whoa. Go back down here, buddy. How do I fucking... Thank you. Alright, cool. Whew. Talk about schizophrenic looking chart. Alright. I guess it came down right about here. Yeah, every time it's come down this low, it pretty sharp reaction back up, so we'll see. We'll see. British pound MXN, minor support there. Honestly, that was about it. I'm not gonna look at anything else just because I already did this analysis, so it's like doing it again. It's like ugh. But there was one thing I did want to show. Was what was that on? Oh yeah, okay. Silver Australian dollar and this beautiful inverse head and shoulders here. It's funny. Everyone's like, oh, what's driving silver? How did this happen? No one saw it coming, whatever. But this pattern started to form November 2017, right? That left shoulder completed on June 2018. The head completed on January 2019. And finally we have our breakout on July 19th. So this was a 2-year pattern, 2-year and 5-month pattern, thereabout. Or, wait, no, fuck. Let's see, when was this? November 17th, 2017. So about what, 1 year and... Am I retarded? Hang on. Oh, God, I'm retarded. Okay. What about 1 year, 9 months or something like that? 626 days, thereabout? Yeah. I don't know. However, whatever. So, I mean, the market was telegraphing you that this breakout was coming for almost 2 years. Almost 2 years it was telegraphing this. It's pretty crazy. 2 years. I mean, even here you should have known. You should have kept your eye out. And here, when I caught this bottom, this double bottom here, that's when you knew this pattern was coming. I mean, it was already telegraphing it. So, it's pretty crazy. And it was pretty aggressive too. I think that was about it though. So, take it easy. Take care.